Dear members of the Interdirect Network, today I will explain you something about a very useful tool called FenGui. FenGui simulates human vision and predicts where viewers will focus their attention on your design. Reports provide a complete graphic representation of the strengths and weaknesses of your design. In a very easy way, you can either upload an image or type in a website to get it analyzed. With the premium version of FenGui, you can get heat map reports, gaze plot reports, opacity reports, areas of interest reports, and aesthetic reports. I will guide you through the website and I will upload an image of the vandenbusken web page and discuss the mentioned reports. As you can see, you can either upload an image file or a web address. I have uploaded an image of the web page of vandenbusken. Before you get your image analyzed, you have to select a few analysis options to get the best results. First of all, there is view type. What is it that you want to analyze? Did you upload a photo? Is it a website? Is it an outdoor billboard or is it an advertisement? We select website. Then there's view distance. Is the uploaded image or website being seen on desktop screen, mobile or tablet, print, indoor signage, package design, or an outdoor billboard? In this case, we will select desktop screen. Once this is done, you have to indicate if your image contains faces, text, and/or skin. This image contains them all, so we will select face detection, text detection, and skin detection. Alright, now we can analyze the image. First of all, the heat map report. The heat map report is a predicted eye tracking report of 40 viewers which show how areas of the original image attract the attention. The heat map colors range from green through yellow to red. The colors are representing low, medium, and high levels of attention. Areas with no color imply that this area will be overlooked. As you can see at the webpage of vandenbusken, you see a lot of focus is being drawn to the job offer buttons. And if we scroll further down, a lot of attention is being devoted to our clients. Up next is the opacity report. When the human eye fails to perceive something that is in plain sight, it is called perceptual blindness. Usually the reason of this is because our attention is being focused elsewhere. The opacity shows the parts of the media with the highest counts or longest fixations and shades the rest of the media. The most transparent areas are those that attract more attention. Again, you can see that a lot of attention is being drawn to the job offer buttons and to the logos of our clients. At the moment you are watching at the gaze plot report. Visual perception is the process of understanding visual sensory information. Our brains impose an order on groups of images we perceive in order to understand them better. If your design fails to order information effectively, the user's brain imposes an order of its own. This means key elements could be buried amongst insignificant information. It is essential to display the right information in the right order. This prevents your message from being misinterpreted. The gaze plot report visualizes the scan paths and order between elements inside the image. It is made of a series of short stops, called fixations, and fast movements of an eye, called saccades. Fixations are marked with circles along with a number that state the order in which the eyes move between fixations. The areas of interest percentage, or the AOI percentage, means that X% out of 40 people will see this AOI within the time to first fixation. The percentage value is the value of attention comparing to the attention at the rest of the image. 0% means no attention at all, and 100% means this area will be mostly noticeable. To get an areas of interest report, you first have to create areas that you want to get analyzed. I'm going to create 3 areas. As you can see over here, you can click Add Area. And first I will focus on the job offer buttons. And we call this job offer. Then the next area is going to focus on our staff. And we will call this staff. And then the third area is going to focus on the logos of our clients. And we will call this logos of clients. And you can click Analyze again. And then you can get a percentage of how much attention is being drawn to the selected areas. And last but not least, there is the aesthetics report. And this report shows you if your image or website is interesting or boring, clear or confusing, simple or complex, etc., etc. And as you can see, it scores 100 on colorful. It is a clear image, and it scores a 78 on balanced.